Take a moment and look around you. Your phone, your laptop, the electric car on the street, the satellite above, the wind turbine turning on the horizon. All of them, every single one, runs on the back of a group of obscure metallic elements you've probably never heard of. They're not gold, not silver, not even lithium. These are the rare earth elements. And while you may not know their names, they've already changed your life. They're reshaping the global economy, and they're at the center of one of the most important resource struggles of the 21st century. This is the story of power, hidden in the earth, and now powering the world. Rare earth elements, or REs, are a set of 17 metallic elements found in the Earth's crust. They include names like neodymium, cerium, lanthanum, and dysprosium. Despite the name, they're not actually rare. They're just difficult to find in high enough concentrations to mine profitably. These elements are chemically similar, making them hard to separate, and they don't occur in clean veins like gold or silver. They're usually found mixed together, requiring intensive refining. But once isolated, they reveal their magic. Rare earths can be magnetized. They glow under UV light. They conduct electricity like no other material. These properties make them essential in building the high-performance magnets, sensors, and displays that define modern tech. So where exactly do rare earths show up? Everywhere. In your phone, neodymium magnets vibrate your speaker and power haptic feedback. Europium and terbium light up your screen. In electric vehicles, rare earth magnets reduce weight and improve performance, helping cars drive farther on less energy. Wind turbines? They need powerful magnets that resist extreme environments. And no one does that better than dysprosium. The military? Rare earths are in missile guidance systems, night vision goggles, fighter jets, and stealth tech. Hospitals rely on them for lasers and MRIs. Even the oil industry uses rare earths to refine fuel more efficiently. They're the hidden foundation of modern civilization. While rare earths exist in many countries, one nation controls the majority of global production: China. Since the 1990s, China invested heavily in mining, refining, and processing rare earths. Today, it accounts for over 85% of global refined supply. In 2010, China shocked the world by cutting exports, sending prices soaring and exposing just how dependent the rest of the world had become. Since then, countries like the United States, Australia, and Japan have been scrambling to diversify the supply chain. But mining is only half the battle. Refining rare earths is complex, toxic, and expensive, and China has mastered it. That's why rare earths are no longer just a materials science issue, they're a matter of global strategy. But rare earths come with a cost, and it's not just economic. Mining and processing rare earths often leaves behind radioactive waste and toxic sludge. In parts of China, entire lakes have turned black from chemical runoff. In Africa, illegal and informal mining operations exploit workers and poison the soil. Communities are displaced, ecosystems are destroyed, and all of this to power the green technologies we believe will save the planet. It's a paradox. A clean future, built on dirty practices. But there's hope. Recycling rare earths from old electronics, developing greener refining technologies, and holding corporations accountable are steps we can take now. The future of rare earths doesn't have to repeat the past. Engineers are developing new materials that could one day replace rare earths altogether. Others are exploring deep-sea deposits or even asteroid mining. Governments are offering subsidies to open new mines. Entrepreneurs are launching urban mining startups that extract rare earths from old hard drives and electronics. The global race for rare earths is no longer about finding new dirt. It's about building smarter systems, cleaner methods, and better cooperation. Rare earths are the silent architects of the digital age. They make modern life possible and shape the balance of global power. But if we want a future that's cleaner, fairer, and more sustainable, we must rethink how we extract, use, and value these hidden resources. Recycle your tech. Support ethical sourcing. Stay informed. Because power isn't just about what's in the ground. It's about what we choose to do with it. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button. Subscribe to WorldStages for more deep dives into global power, science, and the forces shaping our future. Ring the bell to never miss a story. and drop a comment. What should we explore next?